In this video, I will show you how to extract PSP games on Android using the Z Archiver app. Please make sure to follow each and every step to avoid any problems. Now open your Google Play Store app and then search for Z Archiver. Now simply go ahead and download this app. Now once you are done downloading this app, for every one of you that just newly downloaded your emulator, go ahead and open your PPSSPP emulator. It's going to ask you to create a PSP folder. So simply click on OK and then show it which folder you want it to utilize. As for me, I like utilizing the document section. So I'll click on document, use this folder, allow. Then I'll click on OK. Now, once I'm done with this, then I have to extract a game file. Now, we're going to need the Z Archiver app. I'll click on Z Archiver. I'll open my app. Then now I need to locate my game file. My game file is inside my download section. So I'll go into the download section. You can see I have a game file in here. Now, all I have to do is just tap on this game file. Once I tap on it, you are going to see that I'm having three extraction, methods. Number one is extract here, number two is extract to, and then number three is extract with this three dot icon. Now, we advise you to use this extract with a three dot, icon, because that's actually better. So once you click on it, just go back and locate your PSP folder. If you remember, my own folder is in the document section. So I'll click on document, PSP, then I'll go into the game folder. Then you can see this icon below. This icon means that I want to extract the game file inside this folder. So I'll simply click on it and it's going to start extracting my game file. So all I have to do now is just wait for it to finish extracting. Now, as you can see, it is done extracting. So we can go ahead and reopen our emulator. So once you open your emulator, you observe that there's still no game in here to play. That's because the emulator do not even know where you are keeping the game. So you have to show it. Click the browser icon at the top and then show it exactly where you are keeping your game. Mine is in the document section, PSP, game. So I'll click on use this folder. Okay. And now you can see that the game is here and is ready to play. Now, this is how you actually extract PSP games to play on your Android device. It's quite simple and easy. Now, you are going to be needing some settings to give you the best performance and FPS on your Android device. I already have a dedicated video for that and I'm going to be recommending it at the end of this video. So just stick to the end of this video so you can actually access that settings. Now, let's give this game a try and see how it goes.
Perhaps it is a vision best left unchanged. There is more to this than you know. Please.
Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now. It have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can also go ahead and watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.